Good morning. How are all of you? See who has come to meet you all today. They are two birdies. And they are going to take you through a story to meet some mama animals and their baby animals. Do you want to meet them? Let's see. Once there was a mama bird and she had laid an egg. And where did she lay the egg? She laid the egg on a nest. This is the nest. Yes, the birds live in a nest. Now, Mama thought that very soon this egg will break and a baby will come out. So she decides to fly and find some food for the baby. Let's see what happens next. Then, when Mama went to find food, the egg broke. And what came out? Yes, the little baby bird came out of the egg. And now this baby bird started looking for its mother. Where is my mummy? Where is my mummy? It looked up and down, but could not find her mother. So it decided to go and find her mother. First, the baby met a hen. The hen said, "Cluck, cluck." And the bird said, "Are you my mother?" The hen said, "No, I'm not your mother. I am the mother of..." Children, see, what is this? This is a coop. It is a coop. It is the house in which the hen lives. And what was there inside the coop? Let's see. Oh, they were chickens. Now the hen said, "See, in this coop are my babies, the chickens, the chicks." So the baby went further to find her mother. Then the baby went to the dog and said to the dog, "Are you my mother?" The dog said, "Bow, bow. I am not your mother. This is my house. It's a kennel. And this is my baby. Puppy is my baby." So the bird went further in search of his mother. Now this baby went to the duck. And the duck said, "Quack, quack." What happened? Now the baby said, "Are you my mother?" The duck said, "No, I'm not your mother. See, my baby is here. The duckling is my baby." Now the baby went further in search of her mother. Now the birdie went to the cat and said, "Are you my mother?" The cat said, "Meow, meow, I am not your mother. See, this is my baby, kitten. This is a kitten." So the baby went further in search of her mother. Then the baby met a horse. The horse said, "Neigh, neigh." And the baby said, "Are you my mother?" The horse said, "No, I am not your mother. See, this is my stable, and foal is my baby." So the bird went further. Then she met a sheep. The sheep said, "Baa, baa." Now the bird said, "Are you my mother?" No, I'm not your mother. See, this is my baby. Lamb is my baby. So, again the bird went further to find her mother. And now the baby went to the cow and said, "Are you my mother?" The cow said, "Moo, moo, I am not your mother. I give milk to everyone, and my baby is a calf." At last, the baby bird was very tired and thought of going back to its nest. And you know what happened? She found her mother waiting for her in the nest. "Hey, you are my mama, isn't it?" "Yes, I am your mama. See, I have brought food for you." And they hugged each other, and the baby had her food. So, children, did you see how many animals and the young ones we could see here? Isn't it? What did we see? We saw a cow and its baby calf, cat and its baby kitten, duck and its baby duckling, hen and its baby chicken, horse and its baby foal, and we met sheep and its baby lamb. So many young ones we have learned today, isn't it? Bye.